Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Jim Boom, and they're looking for an email marketing specialist. By the way, this company has a lot of remote job opportunities, such as conversion rate optimization manager, among other things as well with this company. So if you want to check it out, all the different remote opportunities that this company provides, go ahead and click on the link below already in the description so you can check it out. But today we're going to be focusing on email marketing specialist. It pays $50,000 a year on the low end to $60,000 a year. As an email marketing specialist with us, you will be responsible for the development, execution, and reporting of email marketing programs for our production and marketing for our clients nationwide. Within this role, you will be tasked with creating and monitoring a wide variety of email marketing campaigns. This includes, but not limited to, using persuasive call to actions, use statistical analysis to generate and adjust campaigns, and track along with analyzing campaign results. Requirements: 2+ years of experience with marketing automation platforms, experience building an email marketing campaign from scratch, excellent copywriting and copy editing skills, strong written and oral communication skills, ability to prioritize and multitask, and experience forecasting and performing analytical analysis. The benefits is flexible paid days off, plus health insurance, plus you can work from anywhere. The schedule will be 40+ hours per week. The compensation is $50,000 to $60,000 per year. Why would you work with them? We proactively have given our team pay raises without them asking. People are our competitive advantage. We love growing and developing our people's strengths. Our goal is to make you not only a better professional, but also a better human. We run a 90% retention in a fast-growing company. Time off, flexibility, remote work, and unbelievable culture and all contribute to this. And you can work from anywhere. Their company success is related to the adherence of core values. Their core values are growth and teamwork, adaptability and humility, integrity and accountability. This is full-time work from home. It includes some benefits like 401k, health insurance, parental leave, and paid time off. It's 8-hour shifts with Monday through Friday, and experience at least 1 year of marketing automation is required. If you feel like you're the perfect fit for this opportunity, or you want to check other Jim Boom's remote opportunities, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not the right opportunity for you, don't worry. We have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. The way that you can stay on top of it is by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you get notified every single time, and you'll be the first one to actually get these remote work from home jobs that are just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.